FishTankTV.com, YouTube, coming at you through a hurricane. Yeah, this hurricane ain't nothing really. Damn power went out though. Oh shit! I don't know if y'all can hear that wind though. But I gotta drain this thing. It's getting overfilled. I don't want my fish flying out, swimming out. You can see the UV light is starting to work. And now, damn power's out. I'm the guy crazy enough to go out in a hurricane and film this. Get back in there, boy. Don't get all wet. That's a head rooster Duke. And that wind's crazy, and I'm standing under a tree. I'm not really liking that too much. But I'm just waiting till the pond drains. I don't know if you can see that little yellow ball down there. That lily's about to bloom. Man, I just want the power to come back on. Holy freaking crap. I'm draining that pond there, you see. Sorry, the glass is dirty. But I opened the door and holy freaking crap, that was a gust of wind. I heard a howling too. I thought we were having a tornado there for a second, but it was just a big old gust of wind. That was pretty intense. For F1, this is pretty it's pretty crazy, but I've seen worse. Camera's not doing justice. I just hope the power comes back on tomorrow. They ain't gonna come on today. They're not gonna get up in the cherry pickers and stuff to fix the lines when the wind's blowing like this. Holy freaking crap! FishTankTV.com, YouTube. This is the F1 hurricane. Not that bad, but it's starting to kick up. The eye of the storm is almost here. So let's go out and look at it. Try not to get my camera wet. Oh, look how much we're getting flooded. I want to check on the ponds too. Damn, I never bring y'all over here. It's crazy. Water flooding over here. Look at this. That's insane. Look right here. We got a little stream going on. Coming all the way down there. See where it goes at. Sorry, I'm trying not to get the camera wet. Look at that, it's just racing. Now, if you see that stuff on the road, you need to get the heck off the road. This is crazy. Hey, that'd be cool to have around the yard, like a little moat. This happens all the time when we get hurricanes. I want to see where this goes at. Yeah. Oh, ground's dipping away. So it basically gives off here, flows in the yard, goes that way. So this is just insane. This is the rainfall we're getting. Now if you don't mind, I'm about to go take a pee. Yeah, I am stupid coming out in a hurricane, especially under these trees, but I want to show you what this is looking like. Crazy. Let's go check on the pond. Let me show you guys something. I'm scared of this one. I pray and pray and pray this tree does not fall. Look how big that fucking tree is. Sorry, my lens is getting wet, guys. This is insane. I hope my camera is focused right because they got some water in the lens. Basically what happened with the pond, the stream back there, water flowing in the yard, the pond is flooded. It's almost at the top. In the hurricane, the worst rains are coming now. And it's not a bad hurricane. It's just the rain is so insane. I've got a beer can in the yard back there. The stream from the road, the runoff, just basically just, you know, rushed the can down. Gonna go back to this window over here. You can see it's a lot of freaking rain. I'm gonna bring it out to the koi pond and see if I can. It's insane. The koi pond, look at this crap. Trying not to get my camera wet. It's getting pretty insane. Right here, it's getting insane, guys. I gotta go in later. You all ready? I'm gonna take you around. Running barefooted. It hurts. That's what I'm scared of. Man, freaking crazy out here. I'm gonna take you down here where the water's standing. It's absolutely nuts. There we go. Oh, look at the water here. It's so deep. It's insane. Goodbye. What's up, FishTankTV.com and YouTube? It's 6 something in the morning. Coming at you with the, as Dustin says, unshower edition. Yeah, it's gonna get a little bit crazy. Look at this, all these trees. These white pear trees are looking gorgeous, and now they down. It sucks. Got pretty close to my fish, and remind me next year not to put the pond there, and remind me to install the waterfall on the pond. We're gonna go look at that in a second. Yes, to everyone, all our little farm animals are okay. The tree down there too. Might enter this video with Mike's contest. You can really see him. I just fed him too. Orbit. Yeah, fat goldfish. Oh, look at my butterfly koi. And they're like a foot down there, so they're pretty big. There's my yellow butterfly I want to enter, but I can't do it now. There you are. So gorgeous. The UV light was working now. Power's out. There's 2 mother koi. Finally bred the Sarascomus, one of the babies. That big one right here, that's the orange reddish butterfly. Yeah, I know. Hello, Speckle. Hi, little baby Grace. How you doing, little girl? Hi, girl. How you doing? Oh, Pepper. How you doing, boy? Lord. Huh? Want some grass? Come here. Come here. There you go, little girl. Can't see who's coming up the freaking hill.
Just take your time.
places when they put it there.
Because of the rail broke.
Yeah, but...
Oh my God, it's the road. Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh my God,
Oh,
the road collapsed.
The road
Oh, somebody else get that.